How to recover Instagram without phone number or email. So if you want to go ahead and recover your Instagram details without any type of phone number or email, it's really easy to do so. You're simply going to come over to your Meta account center, okay, and you can log it through your basic browser. Okay, simply go over to your laptop or anything. And once you're here to recover it, simply access the account center. The account center is really easy to do so. Once you're here, simply come over to change password and you're going to choose the account you want to change the password for. So let's say I want to change password for this and simply add in your current latest password, latest one that you remember, new password, retype password, and you're good to go. But if you don't remember your current password, simply hit forgot your password. And of course, Instagram is going to help you with that as well by simply sending you a link to your email to reset your password. So once it does that, you're good to go. That is how you can recover your account without any nitty-gritties needed. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.